Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Hi guys! So it's January 1 and we are gonna go Sheraton Hotel in beside Newport. So I'm with my baby, with Gwen, and Uma. Of course, she's busy. And he's the driver now. So see you later. Bye!
Hi guys! So we're already here inside the Sheraton, actually Hilton Hotel. We're gonna spend our time here at Sheraton Hotel for our New Year's celebration. Kasama syempre ang sister ko and husband niya, Kuya JR, and also their beautiful daughter, Kaylee. We're just walking kasi pupunta muna kami sa lobby to meet them. Okay? Excuse me po, saan po yung Sheraton lobby? And right. Thank you. Hey, ma.
Hi.
It's like penthouse. Oh, there's KJR. Hi!
Say hi to my vlog. We say Happy New Year, everyone.
Hello.
Hi! Happy New Year to everyone. We are here at Sheraton Hotel.
Oh.
Hi! This is the very beautiful Kaylee.
Di ba ba ng kids place? Ano yun?
Yeah. Kids Club. So we are here at Kids Club here at Sheraton. This is open from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. They are open every day. They have slide and also there's a bathroom, a table with full of toys and a TV. This one they also got PS5. But I don't know if it's working. Whee! So fun!
Baby.
Wow. Can we play here?
That's my place.
Oh, this is my place. Okay. So this will be my place. Okay, so we're done here at Kids Club. So again, it's open from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. So now we're going outside to check the pool. Whoa! Look! Hey! You wanna swim? But where's mommy and daddy?
Ready now?
Carrie.
Why, what do you
They have area here called Siargao. Oh, it's Camiguin.
Hi guys, so we're now here. We're walking papunta sa mall ng Sheraton and they're here. KLJ, Kian. Hi, KB.
Ah!
Okay, we are here at Casa Buenas.
It's kinilaw na fish. And this one is fish cracker. Ay, hindi. Akin, I think. Then, I don't know if what kind of fish is this. But I think it's tuna. Okay. So good. So this is their version of adobong pusit. Hi, good morning. We just woke up. We are going to have breakfast. Let's check the pool view. Wala pa nagsiswimming. It's not yet open pa siguro. Baka 9 pa to mag-open, no? Pero late, no? Kasi sa iba, diba, 7 a.m. lang open na siya. Ah, hindi. Open na pala. May mga magsiswim na.
Ngayon mo lang ba nakita yung mga tao?
Oo, ngayon lang. Hindi ko sila napansin kanina. Kasi sa gitna ng pool lang ako nakatingin. Let's prepare because we are going down. Kasi hanggang 10 a.m. lang yata ang breakfast buffet. Okay, so let's change. So we are done. We are going down now. Morning. Morning, Katie.
We're gonna swim.
Yeah, we're gonna swim. We're going to Japan.
We're going to Japan.
We're going to swim.
We're going to swim in Japan? Huh?
Oh,
Hi, good morning.
No. Okay.
6, 7.
Tell naman.
Hey, what number?
It's 6. Our table is 6-7. 6-7. So, check muna natin lahat ng mga food bago tayo bago tayo kumuha ng plate. Okay? Since they have honey glaze bagnet. Yeah. Papaluto ka ng egg? Okay. 1 scrambled egg and 1 sunny side up. 2 sunny side up. 6, 7. 7. 6, 7. Yes.
2 sunny side up
Yeah.
and then 2 scrambled.
Yes. Thank you. Chili fried fish, roasted chicken, eggplant masala. Pwede ka na rin magpagluto pala ng noodles. Tanggi. This is the rice, garlic rice and fried rice. Okay, so we already got our food and here's my first batch. Pancit canton, fried pusit, fried danggit, chicken tocino, slice of pork adobo, garlic rice with the sauce of pork adobo. And of course, the chili suka. There's with the pancit.
Oh, wait.
For long life. Okay. And try. Ay. Wow, and
I just finished eating my taho. And it's so very good. 8 out of 10.
so I already got my second batch. Bacon, Caesar salad, salami with mozzarella, maki, Batangas pulled pork maki,
So good.
We're almost done eating breakfast. And ayun, we're done na. We're so full and we're so happy kasi masarap naman yung food. And yung pinaka nagustuhan ko their pastries. Yun yung pinaka nagustuhan ko.
6-7.
6, 7.
Thank you. Okay guys, so we are done eating our breakfast.
Finish your food? Wow.
Super sarap ng food and sobrang busog na busog ako. Favorite ko doon, what's your favorite?
Pastries nila.
pastries.
And adobo.
Bacon.
My right egg.
Salad.
You like the egg?
Yeah, I finished it.
Very good.
You have seafood.
Mine is, my favorite is, all of it. Lahat. We are going to the pool. We are going to the pool. Wow. I got towels.
Guys. Let's find them. Where are they? Hi! Akit ka, lakad ka.
Nandito na kami sa room. It's already 11:30, I think. Ngayon naman is magdi-dinner buffet kami sa S Kitchen. Dito pa rin sa Sheraton Hotel. Seafood paluto. Crabs, clams, tahong, shrimp. Yan yung mga menu na pwede mong ipaluto sa seafood. They have the carving station. And cebuchon, pasta. They have laksa. Wow, laksa. Salt and pepper crab. Pura. This is the barbecue station. Kukuha muna ako ng food because I'm a bit hungry. Okay, see you.
Hi guys, we're just finished eating. And I have tummy. That's the birthday girl. Happy birthday to you. That's the girl.
One more. Again.
Oh,
You're so pretty, no?
You take the here.
you have boo-boo?
Here? What happened?
What happened?
It's just my hair.
Hi, it's just your hair.
It's your hair plan.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, mommy.
Hey guys, so nakabalik na kami ng hotel. Nakakain na rin kami. Ang dami namin kinain. And we'll see you later, guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Look. Gitu. It's blueberry.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Someone is doing TikTok. So, we're going down kasi magbe-breakfast ulit kami. Breads. Honey glazed na yung ham and there's still the bagnet. Oh, I will try that. And the Indian cuisine. May Indian cuisine pala. May pork cuisine na. And chicken adobo. And beef tapa. Well, I'm gonna get beef tapa. I want beef tapa. Okay, so see you later. Hi guys! Nakauwi na kami sa bahay. Tapos na ang masasayang araw namin sa Sheraton.
Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year! Thank you for watching our vlog.
Thank you, Ate D and Kuya JR.
Thank you, Ate D and Kuya JR.
Bye!